So as usual guys, is our football match for today's video. We had a very supportive parents there. There also papabuya siya guys. So muna siya guys, morning mga tao dari guys. And there they are mostly mga Muslim people, Chinese people, Indian, at saka mga foreigners, mga other countries, and then may Korean, Japanese, and some of the Filipino. And then some of the AFAM guys. I show you. Can one, right? Meow, 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 meow. So maglisod tag-identify sa grupo nila bibi kay wa man ni nag-uniform tanan tawon oy di man pareso uniform naglahi man naglibog ta kay sa dapit asa dapit. Basta magdagandagan lang jud ka guys. Mauna na siyang soccer. Mura dito siya guys kay nahuman namin nagkatay kay kanina naman ko si Tutoy nakalimot kong video ba. So mura dito siya for today's video. Mura siya ko a friendly match to the another team. And this area guys is another team also, and then they want to have match also for our strongest U10, under 10. I know. Yeah, under 10 lagi. Okay, mga gagmay pa man sila. So it's under 10. So muna sila guys. Still KDH guys. Still isa lang yapon kagrupo KDH pero sa nanlain mi na mga branch gani, sa nanlain mi na mga places, pero mag-match me with together. It's a friendly match only. It's all KDH but it's a different branch or places or where we belong, and kini another team kini naka-orange ni sila guys. Murag mga Malay people ni sila guys. So mo to siya. So this is our small boy guys. Come on for today's video guys. Hi. It's so easy for our training today, and then we got here the Mataku guys is still same with ours, you know. Mataku is my eyes. Maura to siya guys for our a bit 1 hour lang mga god. It's only a 1 hour, and they're here our handicraft 1 hour lang ang training for today. And then it's so lesson lang to video lang kasi ang dami ko talagang bet, you know. And then still I want to show you the environment. then even if do nagka-lesson, then si Anting tanaw, ba yung tanaw, ba sa tuwa nga. Walong nag-video ta, magsige pa yung tanaw sa tuwa. Oh. And then we... No, I didn't bring ma.
I know it's in the bag.